Are you thinking about ditching the dye and embracing your silver crown, but just aren't quite sure how to transition? Or maybe you're already rocking your silver crown, but you want an easy, no fuss, protective style that doesn't involve heat, hours of styling, only to be wrecked by summer's humidity. Whether you're transitioning from coloring your hair to embracing your silver, you want to protect your natural crown, or you want a new look with no commitment, the Half-Wig is a game changer. Hello beautiful, welcome to another episode of The Beauty of Aging, a channel for every woman who's unapologetically growing bolder. On this channel we discuss a variety of topics from silver hair care, fashion, wellness, lifestyle, and more. I'm Angel, the founder of Maison 276 and creator of the award-winning 3-step system for silver, gray, and blonde hair, a healthy way to brighten, cleanse, and restore the natural brilliance of your hair without the use of purple dyes. One of the most frequent questions I get is, how do I transition from coloring my hair to silver? There's no right or wrong way to transition from coloring your hair. There's only your way. The Half-Wig is a great option, not just for those who are transitioning from coloring to silver, but really for anyone who's looking for a quick, easy, no heat, no fuss styling option. So let's get right into step-by-step instructions on how to create this look. Okay guys, let's get started. First, of course, we're starting with clean hair. I washed my hair with the Maison 276 3-step system. And in fact, I actually did a deep conditioning with the Restore Conditioner, which is basically applying it to drenched hair. I do maybe 6 or 8 Bantu twists, plastic cap, sit under my heated conditioning cap for about 30 minutes. And then when my hair is maybe about 50% dry, then I braided it. Very simple braid. I kind of parted it here at the crown, and then I'll turn around where you can see in the back. 2 simple braids, and then, cross those up and pin them in. And then I have a small braid on this side and then a small braid here. And essentially, this is where I'm going to attach the Half-Wig. Now, this is my first time using any type of unit other than the clip-ins, which are completely different than this, whether it's a half-wig, full wig, my first time. And so it took me about 3 tries to get it exactly where I want it. I'm gonna show you step by step what I did to achieve a look that's completely blended with my natural hair and also looks like the style that I typically wear with my natural hair. I'm using the Half-Wig as a protective style, as an alternative to wearing my own hair out, but it's also, again, as you will see, a perfect solution for those of you who are transitioning from dyeing your hair to silver, because you can perfectly blend it in to your roots as your hair starts growing out. Now, one of the challenges that I had the first time I did it was I envisioned having a lot more of my hair out, because I was thinking Half-Wig, like half of my hair is going to be out. No, this style unit is actually designed to come almost right at your hairline. I have a lot of white hair here, and even though this is considered light silver, it was still, I had a lot of white hair that was not blending well, if that makes sense. And so that's what was the challenge I had to overcome. Well, it wasn't even a challenge to overcome. I just had to learn how to style it. So let's talk about the unit. It has 4 combs. This is an elasticized band, but it also has a drawstring, but you could actually use it as a ponytail because you can pull the drawstring pretty tight. Also, the last track, the hair starts under it. And so that means that it's pulling the hair over that last track, and that also helps to blend it in. I actually love this a lot. As I'm taking this out, I'm just gonna take this one out and then these 2 out. Even though this is not a braid, I actually am not gonna take that loose. The thing I really like about this is you really can style it in the way that best suits you. I think that's one of the things I most like about this half wig is the versatility of the unit. Now this particular wig is by the brand Soul Lady. I have used their products before with my straight ponytail, and so when they reached out to me to do a collaboration, I was really excited to do it because I'd already purchased some of their products and I really like the way it matches my natural hair. So thank you to Soul Lady for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. I will have a discount code down in the description that you can use on any purchase, whether it's clip-ins that you've seen in my previous vlog from a few weeks ago. That will be linked at the end of this video, also down in the description. Before wearing this unit, I washed it with the Maison 276 Hydrate shampoo and then followed with the Restore conditioner. And I did use the conditioner as a leave-in, but very, very little, not nearly as much as I would leave in my hair. It maintained the curl pattern perfectly. I know some people put mousse, foaming, styling sprays on their units. I tried it on a small portion of the hair and I didn't care for it. It left it very stiff. And I'm gonna be putting some pictures of my natural hair. When I do a twist out, you'll see how closely this mimics my hair. I'm going to start with the center comb, but I'm not gonna center it. I'm gonna put it right here because that's kind of where I would have a part, and I'm gonna pull it over to mimic the part. So that's why I'm starting there. And again, it's gonna be right where that braid is. Also, this unit does come with 2 wig caps. I actually didn't want to use those. Frankly, I thought it was gonna make my head hot. And I actually had no trouble with it staying on between the comb and you see I'm gonna pull it over that braid. Between the combs and then the drawstring, it was good enough for me. I don't need anything trapping heat in my body. Okay, so now I've put all the combs in and now I'm gonna pull the drawstring tight. And you see how much string I have there. And then I'm just gonna take it and stick it up under there. Hey y'all, just a few years ago, Maison 276 products were shipped directly from the manufacturer to my garage. And then from my garage to the dining room table where they were lovingly prepared and shipped to you. But today, this is how Maison 276 products are coming to you at your local Walmart. Yes, we are launching nationwide in Walmart. Visit the Maison 276 site to find the Walmart that's closest to you. And you never know, I may be waiting for you in the aisles when you get there. Now I know most hair vlogs, especially because I've watched a lot of them where they're showing you how to do installs, are really short, right? They're like 8 to 10 minutes. Well, it didn't take me 8 to 10 minutes the first time or the second time or the third time. So if you are new to wearing a wig, whether it's a half wig, a V part, a lace front, whatever, please be patient with yourself. Give yourself grace. Give yourself time and patience to learn how to blend it seamlessly into your own hairline. Okay, so now this is the first twist out, and here's the second and the third one. The other one that I didn't braid, but it was just a twist out, I left that and then I just tucked it right up under there. Okay, so now we are going, and it's tight. I'm not worried about anything falling off or anything. So now we're going to blend it into the hairline. And really, I'm doing it with my fingers. I'm not even really doing it with this comb or the fishtail. And depending on how you like to wear it, you can tuck it behind the ear. And then right here, I'm still going to pull these little tendrils over that. And same here, you could wear it behind the ear if you wanted to and put some edge gel there. I'm gonna put a little bit of edge gel when I'm finished styling. And so now I'm also going to pull that over a little bit because I want to blend in my hair, which is stark white in this area. Blend it in with the unit. And that's it, y'all. But I promise you I didn't do it this fast the first time. Now also, I'm gonna put some pictures up so you can see the original length. This is a 16-inch unit that I have cut 3 to 4 inches off, certainly 4 inches in the front. And what I found is that just like a natural hair curl, as the curls loosen a little bit, some areas are longer than others, and I still wound up having to like right here, this little part. Maybe not. I'll take a look in the, yeah, I think this needs to be snipped. Yep, so yeah, that's kind of like too long. A lot of times a twist out, because it's so, at least my hair, is so sensitive to humidity and the weather. And then sometimes with traveling, you know, I don't have time to retwist my hair at night, so I get the perfect curl pattern the following morning. And so this is a great hack if you love a twist out, but sometimes you just don't have the time, or frankly, if you just want a protective style to give your hair a break, but you still want to maintain your look. And for a long time, this was my signature look. And so I highly recommend. It is very light. Again, because I'd never worn a unit before, I really didn't know what to expect. And I think I thought it would feel like I had a hat on, but it is so light. I love the way it moves. It's very secure. Honestly, once I put it on, I don't have to think about it. You know, I could put a little bit more edge gel. I laid them down earlier with my silk scarf before I was ready to install the unit. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit more just right there. Give me a little edge brush. But I don't want to put too much, because remember, edge control gels are water-based, and if you have hair that is really sensitive to water and your curl pattern completely changes compared to the unit that you're wearing, you just want to make sure that you put it just on the edges and not onto the hair. Perfect. Well, guys, that wraps it up. As I mentioned, I've cut quite a bit from this unit. So here is what it looks like before, and here's what it looks like now. Easy peasy once you get the hang of it. So remember, give yourself grace. It took me a few tries to get that white hair blended in, but I really love this style, and I'm looking forward to wearing it a lot this summer. Again, thanks to Soul Lady Wigs for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. Remember, there's a discount code in the description for 15% off. Thank you so much for joining me on another episode of The Beauty of Aging. Thank you for watching, subscribing, especially for commenting, because you know I love chit-chatting with you in the DMs. And of course, don't forget to join me every Friday at 10 o'clock Eastern for Coffee with Angel, where we chit-chat about a variety of topics, many of which are suggested by you. So don't forget to send me those recommendations. But they're all topics of interest to you, the woman who's unapologetically growing bolder. And don't forget to stop by your local Walmart to pick up your Maison 276 products. And remember, you never know, I might be lurking in the aisles. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Beauty of Aging. Take care, y'all. Bye.